Do you have to submit a tax declaration in the Netherlands? If you've worked in the Netherlands, you are usually obliged to submit a tax declaration. The Belastingdienst office clearly states when you are required to submit it. First of all, when you receive a request letter to submit a tax return. The letter usually indicates the deadline for submitting the tax declaration. Secondly, in case you have a surcharge of at least 47 euros or if your tax return is higher than 16 euros. You have 4 years to file a tax declaration in the Netherlands. What form do you have to submit in the Netherlands? Depending on your residency status, you can submit 3 types of forms. It's the C form for people not registered permanently for residence in the Netherlands, the M form for people registered during the tax year, and the P form for people registered for a full year. Each form includes different questions, so you must know your exact residency status to file a valid declaration. You can submit each form electronically or on paper by ordering forms from Belastingdienst. The exception is the M form, which you cannot submit electronically. Only tax advisors who use commercial or professional tax programs have this option. On our website, you have the option of submitting all types of forms without the requirement to have passwords and access to the office's portal in the Netherlands. What basic documents do you need for tax settlements in the Netherlands? The primary document is a jaaropgave. It's a document issued by your employer in the Netherlands. The document contains information about the total income, withholding tax advance payment, or the period of employment. Another document is a certificate of income from your country of residence. You must obtain such a certificate in the original and send it to the office in the Netherlands. There is a different template for each tax year. In the link below, you will find the current certificate templates for every tax year. You also have to register a valid account to get payments from the office. To do this, you must submit a special application form to the office, along with attachments. Remember that the account must be registered in your first and last name. The tax office doesn't accept third-party accounts due to the security policy. Depending on the tax reliefs, you may need other documents, such as a child's birth certificate, a certificate of joint registration of residence with a partner, or a confirmation of incurred costs. However, these are non-standard cases that require help from a tax advisor. How long does it take to get my tax refund in the Netherlands? Unfortunately, the tax office in the Netherlands is in no hurry to issue tax decisions and pay the refunds. As the office informs us on its official website, you may have to wait even 3 years for a tax decision, all because of the need to verify income from abroad. However, remember that this is the maximum time. The average time for issuing tax decisions in the Netherlands is 4 to 6 months. The tax office will send you a letter informing you of the final amount of tax refund or surcharge. You will receive such a letter to the address registered at the office. It's very important that you always update the address with the office every time you move. You can do it using a special application form that you will find on our website.